Alright guys, here we go. It is first gen day. I am picking it up. Instead of getting a ride back, I decided to fly into Vegas, which is 2 hours from Havasu. And it's just the closest airport. Unless you got like a private plane, which I do not. So, with that said, I am now in Vegas. I just landed. I will be at LCEngineering again in about 2.5 hours. I'm stopping to grab a quick bite to eat. So I am just comfortable on this whole trip. It's going to be a long day. My day started at 5 a.m. I forgot my fucking sunglasses. So yeah, it's going to be a long drive. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I'm really excited to drive the truck. I've been talking to Steve from LC and kind of getting an idea of how the truck's driving, and it's smooth. There's no leaks. There's no nothing. This thing is just... it's fucking perfect. So apparently you can go 45 miles per hour uphill. What the fuck? I've never gone 45 miles per hour up a hill in that first gen. So I'm excited to see what it's like coasting down the road and see how smooth it is and really the driving experience of this whole thing. I can't be more excited. Let's do it.
You just get the engagement, you'll find the spot. You'll find that spot. It's a little bit tighter than the other one too.
Over here at LC, well, I'm in the first gen right now, and I'm doing my very first test drive, so I just wanted everyone to see a natural reaction to this, and I can't get the smile off my face because the truck feels incredible. The clutch on it, they did a flywheel, they did a clutch, the new engine, it's got power. It feels like a normal truck. This is insane. I didn't know a clutch is supposed to be all nice and tight. Usually my clutch goes all the way to the floor and then I shift and it kind of gets a giddy up, but this thing is just like, fuck.
Oh, you're gonna have to relearn it. Yeah.
You're gonna have to relearn all of it because literally, like the response time and everything, the clutch.
Oh.
Dude,
how's the response?
It's
Good?
got power.
Yeah.
It's got. I mean, it's wild. It's absolutely insane. I'm glad I have a long trip home because I can learn how to how to drive it again. Man, this thing's sweet. Dude.
Cool. I knew you'd have a big smile.
Yeah, going from first into second, I'm like.
Smile. Yeah. Yeah. This needs a review. That thing is fucking cool, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can work out getting you gears.
Yeah.
Between the 3 of us or 4 of us, this thing would be a rocket ship. Yeah.
It's 35s? 35s, yeah. It's about 29s. This thing will be fucking slow. Alright guys, so I just left LC and I'm just tripping out on how different it is to drive the truck. It's funny because I'd be in first gear usually and the truck would like want to die, if I'm going slow, it kind of jerk and it's like struggling. And I'm barely even touching the gas, it's just cruising along. Oof. I'm gonna have to get used to shifting. The clutch feels fucking perfect. It feels amazing. Oh, it's fast. Woo. Oh. Wow. Every expectation has so far exceeded, and I've gone 2 minutes down the road. I'm gonna get to a gas station and get some gas in there. This is badass, guys. I can't even tell you. I'm coming up to a stop sign right now. No foot on the clutch. Oh, drivability. The truck feels strong. Feels put together. It's such a strange feeling. It just feels whole. Where before it felt like a piece of it was missing. can't stress enough how good this it feels. It just feels put together. Man. So this is one of my favorite parts. When I used to start the truck, the whole thing would fucking like shake and move, and you know, it's a 30-year-old engine. But now, oh, it's just so smooth. It's so smooth. Oh, she likes it. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Man, fourth gear going uphill. It is hot. Radiator can handle it. Going up a grade, in third, going 50. Easy peasy. There we go. We are on just flat ground now. I'm not even, try not to go too fast here, but climb to 70, still feels power. Like she's gonna keep going. Yeah, there's 70. Like it feels good, doesn't feel like I'm pushing that at all. Alright guys, I found this nice straightaway here, no hills, and currently cruising at 60, and I can push it. Let's see, I'm in 5th gear, so if I drop it down to 4th right now, it'll go up to 70 easily, but cruising 5th gear, just a little over 60. It feels good. It doesn't feel like it's struggling at all to do that or out of control. It feels very natural to it.
All I want